It's not easy right now. We're all in a state of change. It's not easy to miss the chance to fly. It's not easy to explain to others what a difference it makes to our lives. Missing that perfect shot in the spring sunshine. Missing those awesome sunrise videos we all love. The feeling we get when the batteries are charged and the bag is packed. Flying our drones isn't life and death. We all know this. But it is a freedom which is missed before others. But we will fly again. It's also not easy missing our family and friends. It's tough to be apart from those we love and watch many we know suffer right now. But we must remember that it isn't easy for everyone to look after themselves, and that's why we remember this is for everyone and for their health and well-being. Right now, to help, there is only one thing we can all do: stay at home. Thank you to the frontline workers like the UK NHS joining together the world over to save our lives and keep us safe. We love you. Thank you.